Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and this flagging tape from Ace Supply is going to be your favorite craft supply. Now, let me tell you why. First off, I love that it is not a sticky band at all. This is meant for flagging trees. Now, we have used this around the yard for big projects, and it is incredibly useful because it can adapt to any situation. It's flexible, it's stretchable, and the best part is that you don't need scissors, you just pull and rip. Now, when you are out there, the less you have to carry, the better. And I love that this has so many fun colors. It comes with two of each. It has orange, green, red, and especially for my girls, they love this color. Now, this is going to be the next big thing with crafting. I'm telling you, this is so much better than using any kind of material that is hard for them to cut. This doesn't hurt, and it can be used in so many creative ways. So get yourself some of this Ace tape. You will have such a blast creating fun stuff. But that's just my point of view.